What is the value of this infinite fraction expression? Let x equal the entire expression. This part of the expression equals x as well since it continues infinitely. Replacing marked part with x, we can write x equals 1 divided by 1 plus x. Multiply both sides by 1 plus x. Distribute x on the left-hand side. Move all terms to one side to get a quadratic equation. Now apply the quadratic formula. Simplify the expression inside the square root. So the possible values of x are -1 plus square root 5 over 2, or -1 minus square root 5 over 2. But since x must be positive, the final answer is -1 plus square root 5 over 2. Did this surprise you? Let me know in the comments.